Do you want to have multiple sources of income but you don't know what's best for you? In today's video, we will explore those 3 types of income. Hello everyone, Venice here again. I heard people talking mostly about sources of income. How they manage it or how they increase their portfolio, etc., etc. And usually your initial reaction would be, oh, maganda yan. Or, I don't know how to do it. Or hindi ko alam kung paano po gawin yan. Well, think again. Kasi there might be other sources of income that might suit you well. As long as you understand first these 3 types of income. First one is the passive income. This income is also called an earned income. Earned income comes from wages, salaries, bonuses, commissions, tips, and net earnings. So, kung nakaka-receive kayo nito, you can consider that as an active income po. Kasi, nag-e-exert po kayo ng effort or let's say extra effort for you to have income in return. Some example of people who are earning active incomes are employees, some business owners, and self-employed. So for employees, it's self-explanatory. You work to get paid. So nagtatrabaho po kayo para magkaroon po kayo ng sweldo. Kung wala po kayong trabaho, then wala din po kayong sweldo. In some businesses, you market your own products para ibenta ito and make money from it. So for self-employed naman po, like content creations, digital creators, VAs, or people that are selling their services to the clients to have income in return. So generally speaking, ito pong active income is all about you doing the work, using your skills, knowledge, talents, and qualifications for you to get paid. So that's what we called active income. Second is the passive income. Passive income is a type of income that you earn with relatively minimal effort or earning money from businesses, such as profits from rental properties without much active participation. Huh? Okay, wait. Let me explain. Kung sa active income ay you need to continuously work to earn, dito sa passive income naman, you need first to build a foundation for your work or do research, then you set things up, and then you earn. So, asan yung minimal effort at asan yung less active participation? Let's have a simple example. So, one of the example of passive income is a motor or car wash vendo machine. Ang work is yung ikaw bumili ng gamit or ng mga gamit at naghahanap ng location. And then, pagkatapos, if you already build that kind of foundation, then you start promoting it. Now, every time people uses your motor or car wash machine, then you earn money. That's where you start your passive income. Just like the rental properties, you have a building and then pinaparentahan nyo po and then yung tenants ay nagbibigay ng rent po sa inyo, then that's where you start your passive income. The profit is there without you giving minimal effort to actually do it. Kasi, sinet up mo na nung una pa yung foundation ng business mo. Pero, wag nyong isipin na hindi nyo na yan imo-monitor or i-research, especially with lots of passive income popping out there. Huwag po kayong magpa-fall sa mga nagsasabing wala kayong gagawin or let's say magkakapera kayo or grow your money in 1 to 2 weeks or overnight. That is very, very big red flag po. Kasi to make every business sustainable in a long run, you need to be aware and involved. Does it make sense? Comment down below if it does or subscribe to my YouTube channel if all these adds values to you. So third one is the portfolio income. This type of income is from the money that you earn from investing in stock market, whether it's capital gain or dividends. So like ETF, index fund, mutual funds, mga ganon. If you are that kind of person who take calculated risk na gusto mag-invest for a long-term gain or continuous cash flow, then this type of income might suit your needs. If you want to know more about investing, I have videos linked on the description box for you to check it out, or click the cards somewhere up here. Whatever income status you have when it comes to investing, I keep on saying this and I will say it again, please do your own due diligence. Wag na wag po kayong papasok sa isang investment or isang negosyo kung hindi niyo po yan naiintindihan. Now, whether you have an active, passive, or portfolio income, make sure to take care of it, sustain it, and have the right mindset to grow it. Until the next video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you again. Bye!